Building a house in 2 weeks sounds impossible, but with concrete it's achievable. Concrete homes are strong, durable and energy efficient. Building quickly saves time and money. Careful planning and efficient methods are key to success. First, find the perfect piece of land. A well-designed plan is crucial for a fast and smooth construction process. Order materials in advance to avoid delays. A concrete slab foundation is fast and strong. Prepare the ground and build the formwork. Pour the concrete and let it cure properly. This is the base of your home, so don't rush this step. Walls and roof up and covered. Use precast concrete panels for the walls. These are made off-site and craned into place, saving significant time. Once the walls are up, install a prefabricated roof system. This could be a truss roof or a panelized system. Finishing touches, making it home. With the structure up, install windows and doors, run electrical and plumbing lines, insulate the walls and add drywall. Finally, paint, add flooring, and complete any desired interior finishes. Building a concrete home in 2 weeks is ambitious, but possible. With careful planning, the right materials, and a skilled team, you can achieve your dream home in record time. Remember, quality should never be sacrificed for speed. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates.